water, but still a little moist.
Let me show you our RockPot.
Sure.
It's a portable cooker. It's kind of like a portable crock-pot. We call it a RockPot. Our heating source is this rock tablet. There's two ways you can heat it. You can heat it in a fire. If you put it in a fire, you're going to have to get the temperature to 600 degrees. So after it's been in the fire for 20 minutes, you're going to get this thermometer. You're going to put this down on it. After 20 minutes, put it on for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, check it. It's got to be at least 600 degrees. When it's at 600 degrees, you can put the rock tablet inside our rock pot. You can put your raw food on top. It'll cook your food 3 to 5 hours like a crock pot. It'll keep it warm 8 to 12 hours. And there you go. That's if you do it on the fire. If you want to, the other way to heat the rock tablet, you can actually put the rock tablet on any type of cooktop. You can put it on a gas, electric, glass, butane, and propane cooktop. I do it on my gas cooktop in my motorhome. I did it this morning for 30 minutes. I put the rock tablet, the pot, a 3-pound roast, and about 4 pounds of potatoes and carrots. I did it from 7 in the morning to 7:30. At 7:30, I put the rock tablet inside the rock pot. I put the roast, the potatoes, the carrots. That was at 7 o'clock this morning. 7:30, I put it in the rock pot. Right now, let me see what time it is. We are at 1:30, so we are at 6.5 hours ago. So 6.5 hours ago, and check this out. This is still steaming. This has been opened at least 250 times today since 9 o'clock this morning. It will cook your food 3 to 5 hours, keep it warm 8 to 12 hours. Last night when I opened it at 4 o'clock, I put the meat thermometer and checked the temperature of our roast yesterday, and it was at over 170 degrees 9 hours after I started that heat in the morning. And then I fed all the vendors here at the show. So check out our RockPot.
There you go. Awesome.
Thanks so much.
It's awesome, and it looks like it's portable. You can carry it with you.
Oh,
and
this is all stainless steel. Every single thing is dishwasher safe. Let me show you what's great. This lid can come off. You don't have to throw it in the dishwasher. You can. These pans are all top grade stainless steel. This can all go in the dishwasher. Even the pot, your rock pot, can actually go in the dishwasher also.
But there's no electrical cord on it.
There's no electric cord. Yep, just that rock tablet heating your food. And if you're serving food, that stone can be hot. You can have the food in. You can actually be serving the hot food at a potluck or whatever you're doing. And
So what is the price on one of these?
for this rock pot, that you see right here at the show, it's really easy when I have my eyes on. Look, really easy. So at the show, what you see right here, the stone, everything's in here. You get this rack that you can use, the thermometer, and the stick. At the show, it's $210. If you get the full bundle, which is these accessory pans, let me show you these. I like to do this because I will do like tamales on top, and I'll do beans down below. I do ribs, barbecued ribs, steamed vegetables, or chicken and steamed vegetables. I like to do hot dogs, chili. I'll do fajita meat and peppers and onions. Then I'll do tortillas on the top, small flour tortillas with cheese and foil in between to keep them hot. And then you can just take it in your car. It's a portable cooker. You can take it. It can cook in your truck, your RV. It can go in your side.
And the outside doesn't get real hot,
This
huh?
never
Nope.
gets hot.
That's
Even
awesome.
When that stone is over 600 degrees, this outer pot does not get hot. Up on top, feel this top here. You can tell this one's just a little warmer, but it's not hot. But you can tell just the difference.
Yeah,
that
barely.
There's something barely.
Well, that's
even warm.
cold, but
But this
because it's
just-
sitting here.
But barely warm.
Right, yeah. Oh, I mean, it's,
Yeah.
I mean, it's not,
It doesn't get
Doesn't
hot.
burn you
It
or
doesn't burn you,
nothing,
yeah. And then you can take it in your RV truck, side by side. We take it in the side by side. So check out RockPot USA. And what is your name?
Bill.
You gotta thank Bill. He's a great guy. Thanks so much, Bill.
Well, thank you for that. And your first name is?
Stacy Nino.
Stacy Nino. Okay,
Thank you
well,
so much.
hey guys, this is a really hot item. A lot of people are walking by here and been checking it out. I'm kind of blocking their business here, so.
We're selling like crazy.
Yeah,
Thanks
I know.
so much.
And our video from yesterday with the flood is why we're doing this, because there was a lot of reaction from the people. So, hey, thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you think this is a great product, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.